People have ambitions beyond merely financial stability throughout their lives. Whether they are planning to start their own business, gain leadership positions, or invest intelligently, they are often aspiring to get rich instead. Regardless of what you might think, it isn't impossible to get rich. Hello, and welcome back to the Finance Guardian channel. What do you think of when you see wealthy people? Let me guess, you assume they are living a better life and have everything they want, right? Well, if you want to become rich, you must first learn specific skills. The skills that wealthy individuals possess set them apart from other people. Because these skills are so well developed, it is difficult to see them. It was these skills that made them rich in the first place. You might say, not having enough money is a problem. Actually, money is never a problem. Instead, the problem lies in the lack of skill. So in this video, we'll share with you 10 skills that will make you rich. Number 10. Being disciplined. No matter what you desire, if you cannot discipline your actions, you're unlikely to succeed. You might wonder, what is discipline? Discipline is an essential element of human behavior. To put it simply, it sets rules for people to follow so they can live their lives effectively and efficiently. You can sacrifice little things in the present to make your life better in the future. Discipline creates habits, habits make routines, and routines sculpt who you are. If you want to get in shape, you need to master your daily diet and hit the gym every day, no matter what is going on. Having discipline means putting your long-term goals first and taking care of the essentials. Though this may seem simple, lack of discipline is the biggest reason why people fail. Number 9. Time management. The process of managing your time involves organizing and dividing your time among specific tasks. Having the ability to manage your time is a valuable skill. A good time management strategy allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time, reduces stress levels, and helps you succeed in your career. Let me also explain what poor time management means. Poor time management always wastes your time. For instance, by browsing through social media while working on an assignment, you will waste time and keep yourself from completing the task. The uncertainty of what to do next can sometimes lead to a loss of control over your life. It's important not to forget that poor time management impacts your work's quality. Because managing your time is primarily about conserving energy, it is essential that you work on conserving your body and mind in order to put the most effort on the project that needs your attention. Number 8. Money management. The process of managing money involves saving, budgeting, and investing it wisely. Mastering this skill is essential. Since poor financial skills can lead to debt cycles and financial strain, money management involves determining how to make any amount of money earn the most interest. A lack of money management skills makes it impossible for one to become wealthy. If you want to succeed financially, you need to understand how money works. You also need to know how to manage your income and expenses. The debt-to-equity ratio is another aspect you need to keep an eye on. In order to reach big financial goals, you have to understand how to take on debt and how to use it wisely. Cash flow is a critical word in the world of money. Leverage comes in second. Number 7. Emotional intelligence. An individual with emotional intelligence recognizes and controls their own emotions as well as understands the emotions of others. It plays a key role in developing stronger relationships, being academically and professionally successful, and attaining personal and career goals. It can also help you connect with your emotions, put your intentions into action, and make educated decisions about what you value the most. People who are successful and content in life aren't necessarily the smartest. There are probably people you know who are brilliant intellectually but are socially awkward and fail at work or in relationships. It's not just your intelligence quotient that determines your success in life. It is true that your IQ can help you get into college. However, your ability to control your emotions can help you cope with the pressure and anxiety of any examination. Number 6. Leadership. Organizations may be filled with people with different skills and talents, but leadership is what harnesses each individual's effort towards the organization's goals. Companies achieve excellence when their leaders inspire and motivate teams and coordinate individual efforts to progress toward a common goal. The role of leadership in any organization serves numerous purposes and is critical to its success. The vital management function of it ensures an organization's resources are allocated efficiently and effectively to meet its objectives. Leaders who are effective provide clarity of purpose, motivate, and guide their organizations to achieve their goals. No matter what position you hold, understanding the role of a leader can help you contribute more meaningfully to the achievement of your organization's goals. Number 5. Ability to stay focused. Nowadays, paying attention has become an important commodity. However, people are finding it increasingly difficult to maintain focus due to the growing number of distractions in our lives. Several different methods can be utilized to maintain focus. Getting rid of distractions is one of the best ways to improve your performance. For instance, you can put your phone away whenever you're working on something important. Just remember not to overdo it. You may try the Pomodoro technique or other different techniques that work for you. Getting enough sleep can also help you be more focused. You cannot stay attentive with sleepy eyes, can you? Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. In between long tasks, you can also take a quick 20-minute nap to refresh your mind. Number 4. Ability to learn continuously. Successful and wealthy people never stop learning. Reading a book is not the only way they learn. Everything they encounter also serves as a source of knowledge. Observing what is happening around you can teach you so much about life. It is vital that you keep learning, acquire new skills, and use them to progress in your career. Knowing as many things as possible is not the goal, but understanding as many as you can. Let me tell you how these two things vary. Well, the first kind fills your head with information, while the second kind helps you connect dots that others might not notice and helps you understand the world. Do you recall the last time you learned something that was of real value and had an impact on your life or the lives around you? You can keep track of whether you are growing this way. Learning continuously means improving yourself constantly. By doing so, you will ultimately lead a more fulfilling life and make better decisions. Remember that you start to die the moment you stop learning. Number 3. Innovation. Entrepreneurship is rooted in innovation. Innovation should be understood by all aspiring business owners, why it's important, and how it can be applied to their own businesses. Innovation refers to discovering new ways to apply and exploit a concept. Some business owners may view innovation as a cliche, yet there are a number of reasons why they value it so highly. It can provide tremendous benefits for any organization. You can use it to solve problems, earn profit, grow your market share, and gain an edge over competitors. Innovating successfully also allows you to add value to your company and boost earnings. Failure to innovate can cause your business to stagnate. Number 2. Marketing skills. The actions of a company, a service, entrepreneur, or anyone else who has to attract clients and advertise their products are referred to as marketing. Marketing isn't just a crucial aspect of a company's success, it's the company itself. Your company could have the best products or services in the industry, but no one would know about it if you didn't advertise it. Lack of promotion can negatively impact sales, and the businesses may be forced to close. If your company sells a product, uniqueness can come from a variety of places, including pricing, packaging, distribution methods, and feature differences, as well as the perception of a difference that may or may not exist. Marketing will assist consumers to differentiate your product amongst competitors. Number 1. Communication skills. Our capacity to communicate successfully with others has an impact not just on our personal relationships, but also on the outcomes we may achieve. This is one of the most important skills every professional should develop. This will enable you to improve your job performance and develop your career. Also, a skilled communicator may promote two-way communication, debate important topics, share information, develop trust, and involve employees in a company's mission. A message might be misread or presented incorrectly without efficient communication, resulting in error, misunderstanding, irritation, or even disaster. Communication is more than just words. It can also include your facial expressions, your body language, and tone of voice, all of which send a message to the person with whom you're interacting. But in order to become an effective communicator, you must first become a good listener. Engaging in active listening is the key. And that is all the time that we have today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do remember to hit that like button. And if you're new around here, subscribe to our channel, and on your way out, please do remember to click on that bell icon too so you can remain updated about all of our future videos. You're welcome to the channel where you will learn the basics of personal finance in easy to understand language. We'll see you next time.